Where does the pop actually come from? That satisfying crack isn't bone breaking, it's synovial fluid physics. Your joints are filled with synovial fluid, a viscous lubricant that reduces friction between articular cartilage. When the joint capsule stretches, intra-articular pressure falls, and dissolved gases form a bubble, a process called tribonucleation. That sudden bubble formation creates cavitation, and that's the cracking sound you hear. Why does it stop working after one crack? Because the gas must redissolve into the synovial fluid. Other pops come from tendons or ligaments snapping over bony prominences during movement. If there's no pain, it's normal biomechanics. Painful crepitus, however, may indicate cartilage degeneration or osteoarthritis. Like and follow to discover more about the science that keeps you alive.